All right, so it's close to the last day of April. I think it's the 29th today. And the flesh happy spell is almost spent. There's only one left, but they've kind of like been absorbed into scabs, earth scabs, like one at a time. And as soon as this one's gone, that means that the protection spell is spent, and they should all be out of there by now. So as you can see here, let me zoom out. So this whole table got moved into the greenhouse, or at least one whole table's worth. And this is getting pretty thin too. So Mama's sprinkle box is starting to finally empty out. It's back to being Mama's again. But she's going through some empty nest syndrome of her own, I'm sure. Just like a mini Erd tree.